grateful, for opportunity like this. I just, I appreciate our coach, the engineer. I see the dedication he puts into, the time. It's something of value. So I appreciate that time. As he values our time. Takes his time. I see 9 a.m., 10 p.m. we're having class. I see it's a lot too.
Yeah.
It's a lot. So, I really appreciate that. And, even prior to when I joined, I'm not sure you really have many mentors like this that, that mean well for you, like take you by the hand. Prior to when I joined, there's some things they said to me, because I knew the kind of challenge I was having, prior to when I joined. Just the mentorship alone for me first, I know that it's the right step that I'm taking, that's going to, eventually, lead me to my goal. So I'm just grateful for the insight. This boot camp is packed full, it's packed full. Just give it time. Just give it time.